Hello and welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. In this particular video, I will show you how to access the EMS menu items quickly from the graphics window. Let me illustrate this using this particular example. Now, for example, there are multiple things in the graphics window, and engineers like to use the graphics window to interpret and work with their 3D designs. EMS allows you to have the same functionality and access the various EMS menus from the graphics window. And this is also context sensitive. For example, if you would like to choose this particular part and apply some material properties and you would like to access this particular part in the EMS feature tree, all you need to do is select the part from the graphics window, right click anywhere on the white area, and then you have access to this EMS menu item. Here you can do several things. You can highlight the material in the feature tree. You can apply mesh controls, you can apply coils, and you can apply loads and restraints. So let's see a few of them. For example, I would like to highlight the material item on the feature tree. Then I select that and EMS automatically opens the respective material in the feature tree. Now we have these coils here. So let me select one of these coils. I can again right click on the white space, go to EMS, coils, and select wound coil. Now EMS automatically opens the coil dialog box and populates correctly the items that were selected. This way you can easily enter properties for the coil and for the simulation. Now finally, let's see. Imagine if you would like to apply mesh controls to the top plate. So you can select the top plate. You can right click, again EMS, and then select mesh controls. So it opens the mesh control dialog box. You can then just choose to select the entire plate, or you can select specific phases in the model and so on. Thus you see how context sensitive right click, when applied properly on the graphics window, you can open a plethora of menu items in EMS that helps you to apply mesh controls, assign materials, coils, etc. to your components. Thank you for watching this video.